Welcome guys to the Crazy Hands Knitting and Crocheting channel. And in this video tutorial we are going to learn how to knit this beautiful stitch. This stitch I'm going to use for knitting a hat in rounds, but now I want to show you how to knit the same stitch in rows in case you would like to knit a matching scarf, or you can use it also for cardigans, really perfect stitch. Here I'm using 4mm knitting needles, and the number of stitches that you have to cast on has to be divisible by 4 plus 1 extra stitch and plus 2 selvage stitches at the beginning and at the end. But if you're knitting in rounds, just the number of stitches that is divisible by 4. So really super easy and beginner friendly. Let's do it. The first row, slip the first stitch and then knit 1, purl 3, and again repeat these 4 stitches. Knit 1, purl 3, knit 1, purl 3, and repeat again. Again, knit 1, purl 3. At the end you have knit 1, this is an extra stitch that we added, and purl the last stitch, the selvage stitch. Turn the second row, slip the first stitch, and then purl 1, so this is an extra stitch, then knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, so here we are knitting a ribbon, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, like a ribbon, knit 1, purl 1. Knit 1, purl 1, and at the end purl the last selvage stitch. That's it. Now you're going to repeat the first row where you slip the first stitch, then knit 1, purl 3, knit 1, purl 3, knit 1, purl 3, and so on. And on the way back you start with purl 1, then knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1. That's it. If you have questions, please leave comments, and also write if you would like to see more stitch tutorials on my channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Bye!